Welcome friends, update about Bitcoin, good trade ideas that can help you make money. First, have a look what's going on globally on Bitcoin. Price still globally in the middle of this big range. Why it's so important for us? Because such range, it is a time when big whales accumulate a lot of Bitcoins. They can buy thousands of Bitcoins. And that's time so important for us because after such accumulation, quite often Bitcoin could make significant movement. Have a look, for example, on this important. According to articles that we published a few months ago, there are a few ways how we can identify bottom of Bitcoin. And of course, there are one way that we call after big insignificant range and accumulation. And at this moment, Bitcoin create nearly same pattern, And for me, it looks if Bitcoin continues squeezing up to this key level 42,600. Here there could be potential breakup. What will be our actual entry exit ideas, my friends? Before I will share with you clear entry ideas, I ask you to subscribe and turn on the bell to this YouTube channel. Why it's so important? Because it will help you make money in a crypto in the future. Also, we are not sponsored by any exchange, any broker, only by you. Help us grow YouTube community. What would be real and actual trade ideas? Have a look exactly on the chart and I'll show you. First, pay attention to this important volume. Have a look on this important volume. About that volume, I will add in the description this article about volume indicators, the article and video lessons that will help you understand it. This volume means at these prices from, let me show it to you, clear prices. From these 39,734 to 37,545, big volume traded. What means that some people sold, bought a lot of Bitcoins, and it shows to us that at this level, for example, at this level 39,000, biggest amount of Bitcoins were traded. Why it's so important for us? Because if biggest amount of Bitcoins were traded, that means someone bought a lot at this price. And when some people buy a lot of Bitcoins, quite often they are happy when price move in their direction. Because of that, they might help price rise. For example, Bitcoin may pull back, they buy everything what it's possible to move the price. That's why, what is my point of view on Bitcoin at this moment? I see at this moment clear support, and I see that price, have a look on this every bottom, I see that every time price increase and increase. It's really good for us. That means globally it's really good for rise, and at this moment I think better for us to trade some patterns that could be potentially breakup, like breakup of this trend line or breakup of this local level 42,600. What would be actual entry ideas? If Bitcoin continues squeezing up, we can take trend line breakup with potential goal at least 3 high, and second goal could be even bigger, 50,000. For example, like this. Price squeeze to trend line. Here we take long, set stop loss here, and take profit could be here at this price 45,791, and another take profit could be before 50k. Why we set such take profits? Because it is mathematical approach how to set stop losses and take profits. That's it. In what cases all of these ideas will be cancelled? These ideas will be cancelled if there would be no squeezing to trend line. If Bitcoin, instead of squeezing, will come back into this biggest volume area and will start doing something opposite squeezing. That would be completely different. But I have a deal for you. If you at this moment subscribe to our public Telegram channel and push like on this video, when clear pattern on Bitcoin appears, I will write to you an update like I did here on a Bitcoin many days ago, for example, like this pattern. That's why what you do, open any video on our YouTube channel and you will find this important part, private educational Telegram channel, free educational. You just join and subscribe. What could be about potential and long-term goals, my friends? It is really good that Bitcoin closed weekly candle at high, and means after such accumulation there could be nearly same movement as it was uh, during summertime. If this breakout will be true, there could be rise even to 60,000, something like that. That's why at this moment, watch video about this volume indicator. It will help you understand why volume that I showed to you on this chart exactly here is so important and why it creates the biggest and the most powerful support area. Thanks for watching.